Welcome to Daily Epoch, your daily dose of AI news. Let's dive into today's top stories. New research benchmarks GPT-5 on multimodal math, revealing it can auto-formalize physics diagrams into lean-proof code with over 70% accuracy, though geometry problems still stump the model. Infosys is deploying Cognition's Devin, an autonomous AI software engineer that plans, codes, and debugs entire projects by itself across its global operations after a 6-month pilot proved it dramatically improves engineering speed and quality. NVIDIA just open-sourced the complete training recipe for their MMTEB champion embedding model, releasing the full 16 million query document dataset. That means developers can now build state-of-the-art RAG systems, that's retrieval augmented generation, from scratch without hitting proprietary APIs. Anthropic released Claude Code 2.1.0, adding skill hot reload so your custom AI skills update instantly without restarting, and forked subagents that run tasks in isolated contexts. AMD just unveiled Helios, a massive liquid-cooled AI rack delivering 2.9 exaflops from 72 MI455X GPUs. And OpenAI says they need as much AMD compute as possible. Plus, new Ryzen AI 400 chips bring 60 TOPS, that's 60 trillion AI operations per second, straight to your laptop. Runway just moved its world-leading Gen 4.5 video model onto NVIDIA's brand new Vera Rubin supercomputer in one day, unlocking 10 times cheaper processing for AI that actually understands physics, not just pixels. OpenAI's ChatGPT Health launches today in an isolated health section, letting you connect medical records and fitness apps for personalized insights. Tested by 260 doctors on over 600,000 cases, it handles 230 million weekly questions, but is explicitly not for diagnosis. ByteDance Seed released Vinci 7B, an open-weights diffusion transformer that learns image editing by watching videos, enabling precise multi-turn edits like adding objects or changing colors using just text prompts. Microsoft Azure's Dragon HD Omni unifies 700 lifelike voices into one AI model that speaks 150 languages with automatic emotion control. Developers can now build adaptive voice agents using a single, simple API. The llama.cpp team just unveiled an Autoparser that uses differential analysis, which compares outputs to detect formatting patterns, eliminating dozens of buggy handwritten parsers and finally making local AI tool calling reliable. Researchers just released DIP, a training-free method that makes diffusion language models run up to 12 times faster. It dynamically adds in-context examples during generation based on the model's confidence, slashing compute costs while keeping accuracy high. Researchers from Tencent just unveiled UltraLogic, a framework that generates unlimited synthetic reasoning data by decoupling logic from language into code-based cores and natural language wrappers, boosting Qwen 3's AIME scores by 6.5%, while introducing a bipolar float reward system that penalizes partial answers to fix a key reinforcement learning flaw. TRAE, ByteDance's AI code editor, now integrates with Ollama, the local AI model runner, so you can code privately and completely offline on your own hardware. Intel just unveiled its Core Ultra Series 3 processors, built on their new 18A process, and demoed them in Rubin, a humanoid robot that runs entirely on-device with no cloud dependency. The chip delivers up to 4.5 times better throughput than NVIDIA's Jetson platform, directly challenging their dominance in edge AI robotics. GitHub's Copilot CLI just got a Ctrl+T toggle that shows reasoning summaries, letting you peek at the AI's thought process behind each shell command before execution. That's it for today's Daily Epic AI news. Come back tomorrow for more industry updates.